Welcome back to 30 Days of AIR Beginner to Pro, Day 2. So today we are finally covering being able to schedule posts in Instagram. Can you believe it? It's finally here. We can now schedule posts directly in Instagram. So to get started, I just want to show you a post that I had scheduled for earlier today and how that looked like. So here for this image of Gladiator, I had posted this image yesterday night right before bed, and I scheduled it for 9 a.m. EST the following day. So when I woke up and I looked at my notifications, as we can see here, there's this section that says your scheduled post was posted. And so ever since, I've been getting like the likes and the comments, and everything went just as planned. So how did I do that? So if you're watching this video, you're an AI artist. And so we're going to go to Midjourney and do a full walkthrough of what it means to generate an image, save that image to your phone, and then schedule it in Instagram for it to be posted later. So today, for the example, I am posting for the AI art challenge of favorite movie for February. And so earlier today I had posted Gladiator, and now I will show you what the other images are. So for my second favorite movie, I am going to be posting a image for Inception, the movie. And so as you can see here, I put in the Midjourney bot /imagine, and then I wrote Inception flowers. And yes, I got a few results up here. I ran that prompt twice. And the image that I ended up in was this one. I really like how it has the floral look of my aesthetic style for my Instagram account. And it has the Inception-like image of having flowers inside a glass cube. And so now that I have arrived to the desired image, I tap on the image and you see how it like went larger. And there are these three little dots on the top right corner. So I'm going to tap there and then click save. So that means that the image saved to my phone gallery. And so the following image that I want to post is for the movie Encanto, the Disney movie. And so I ran a few posts. As you can see, I didn't love a lot of them. And so the image that I arrived at for Encanto is the one that has this little cute window. And so for the prompt here, I wrote Encanto, house, butterflies and flowers, beautiful and vivid. And so again, I am going to tap on the image, the three little dots on the top right corner, and then click save. And so now we want to go back to Instagram and post both images scheduled for later right on Instagram. I'm so excited. This has been a long time coming. So once you're in your Instagram feed, you go to your profile, and in the plus sign, you click plus and you click post. Actually, before we do that, I want to copy the caption and hashtags of my previous post, given that they are from the same AI art challenge. So I'm going to click on the previous post, click on the two dots in the top right corner, edit, and then just copy the whole caption. So select all, copy, and cancel. Great. So now we're going to post our two images. So the plus sign at the top, click on post, select your image from your phone gallery. In this case, we are selecting the Inception flower. Then just click next. And this is where it gets exciting. So for the caption, I'm just going to paste my previous caption and change favorite movie to Inception with a floral twist, given that my account has a lot of florals. And then I'm just going to change the emojis to my rose and then a heart. Great. So next I'm going to put the add message button. I really recommend you always click there. My location, United States. I'm not going to add music for now, although I could. We'll see if I add music. And then When you go all the way to the bottom in advanced settings, click there and oh my God, look at this beautiful top section that says schedule this post. Now some features are still not working, like cross posting. And so I'm going to sacrifice that and turn this on by clicking on the toggle. And look at this beautiful schedule post. So choose the date and time below. And the time zone is based on your device setting. So I'm going to put the inception image for 12 p.m. today, set time, and it confirms right at the bottom in gray. So you know exactly what it is that you picked, and then you double check that you clicked the right time. Then I'm going to click hide like and view counts on this post and share your post to Facebook, and you're all set. So there it says again, some of your settings can be saved. Some features aren't available for scheduled posts. And so I'm going to continue scheduling. And I don't know if you noticed, but the schedule to the Facebook account turned off right here in the bottom. So that's one of the other sacrifices, but really scheduling the post, making sure that you have your hashtags, you have your caption, I really do think it's worth it. And then for add music, you know what? Let's add an Inception song. So I clicked on add music, and then I typed Inception, and I'll put time right here at the top. Perfect. I'll leave it on that section. Then click done. And now I'm going to click schedule. And so you might wonder, okay, but where did my image go to? What's going on? And so the way to find where your image is you go back to your profile, you click on the hamburger, and it says schedule content. So once you click there, you can see all the posts that you have scheduled, and in gray you can see exactly for when. So I'm excited. Let's post the second image. So I'm going to click plus, post my Encanto image, next, write the caption, and then I'm going to put favorite movie is Encanto. Alrighty. Encantos view. All the hashtags are there. I'll add the message button. Location for add music, I'll look up Encanto. And as you can see, it can just become like very, you know exactly what to do next, very methodological. You know exactly all the steps. And for now, I'm just going to put what else can I do. I really love that song. It's not symmetrical or perfect, but it's beautiful. It's mine. Alrighty. So that is the song. And then again, I go to advanced settings, schedule this post, and I'll put it for today at 3 p.m. I'll do a different video about how you can figure out the best times to post in your account. But for now, we'll keep it limited to just scheduling the post. So we click schedule. It says in the bottom scheduling. And just one last time, we're going to check that our post is in the schedule section. So schedule content, and there you go. So you have the Inception and Encanto, 12 p.m. EST, 3 p.m. EST. Very exciting, y'all. So I hope you find this video very helpful. I have been doing Instagram for many years, and I just can't believe that they finally did it. Stay tuned for day 3 of 30 days of AIR beginner to pro. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.